Hi everyone, welcome to another Monday video with me, and here I've got one of the brand new release stamps from Lavinia. Yes, they were released over the weekend and we've got Woodland Sprite. She's got such a gorgeous little face, so inquisitive, so I thought I'd create a card that was quite delicate and simple. In the background I've got a stencil. This one's called Glory. I'm also using one of the circle masks from this set. I'm using the middle one, and I'm using an A6 card. I've got Posca pen for the splatters, and this one is called It's Just Blue. I've stamped her in Twilight with Versafine Clair, and for my shading around the edge, I've got prize ribbon in Distress Oxides. So we will get started, and I hope, like me, you love the new release stamps because they are beautiful. The very first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to stamp my main image, and then we'll work the rest of the design around that. I am going to use my stamping platform for this, just to ensure that I get a nice crisp image. So I've put my A6 card, which is an A5 folded in half. I've put that into my stamping platform, and I'm going to ink up my lovely Woodland Sprite stamp. As always, I just do this light tapping motion. That enables me to get a good amount of ink, and I'm not pulling it or dragging it. Because her body is quite solid, I am going to make sure that I've got a good amount of ink on there. But you'll see when we stamp this, the leaves here are so delicate. Tracy's done, let me show you. Look how just delicate they are. Tracy's done such a good job in giving us some fine detail in some of this new release stamps. So I've just got a bit of a... I'm just going to do it again here. Voila. And then I'm going to take my Glory stencil, place it over the design, and bring in my prize ribbon. And naturally, this card will lend itself to any colourway at all. And I'm just going to lightly blend a bit of this stencil around the bottom and coming up the side of her. It's ever so light. You just want a hint of it in the background, just like that. Then I'm going to bring in my mask, and I'm just going to put that around her here. And again, same colour. I'm just going to create a little glow, holding this mask in place so that I get this little glow or halo around where she's sitting. So I'm flicking from the inside of the mask out. So we've just created that lovely little glow around her. This is such a simple card. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this same colour, and I'm just going to blend around the edge so that you're landing up with this hint of blue or hint of colour, if you choose to do a different colour, around the edge of the card. And then because there's so much white in there, you get this lovely pop. So as I say, I hope you're as excited as I am about these lovely new stamps. Have you seen the little Fantasia and Liberty? Oh my goodness, those will feature in a couple of videos of mine in the future because I love them. And then there's some gorgeous flowers and the wings. Oh my goodness. So, how quick was that? Now you can go darker if you wish, but I wanted this to be really subtle. I'm just going to pop my mask back. And then I'm going to take my Posca pen. Now, if you don't have a Posca pen, you could use some paint on a paintbrush. You could use some Distress Oxides. And then I'm just going to move that out of the way. And then I'm just going to tap with another brush, bouncing it. So I'm holding this quite loosely in my hand so that it does bounce to give me these lovely splatters. And you can see I'm doing an even tapping and an even pressure. That gives me even splatters. Look at that. How simple, how elegant is that? I do hope you've enjoyed that. I would love to see your make, so please tag me and I'll be back again soon. Bye for now.